How to remove voice chat from WhatsApp group. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can remove voice chat from WhatsApp group. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So let's begin with the videos. So in order to remove the voice chat from a WhatsApp group, there are certain rules you need to follow. First of all, you can only voice chat in a group where there are few people. But if there are over 100 people in a group, there is no such option available where you can send voice chat or remove it. So if you have sent a voice chat and you want to remove it, first of all, let me show you how to send a voice chat. After that, I'll show you how you can remove it from the group. So in order to send a voice chat, you just need to long press on this microphone icon at the bottom right. And after you send it, you'll be able to see your voice chat at the bottom that you just sent. So in order to remove it, what you can do is simply long press on it. And when you long press on it, you should be able to delete option. You should be able to find a delete option. When you tap on it, you can see delete for everyone. Just tap for delete for everyone, and that particular voice chat should be removed. So the only way how you can remove that voice chat from a group is by deleting it. If you delete it before everyone sees it, that's how you basically remove your voice chat. So just long press on it and delete from everyone, and that particular voice chat should be removed. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.